Good afternoon, friends. Today we will try to see what is happening in the Dow Jones Index in the live market. So, a few minutes before what I did, I tried to mark this pullback signal. This is the Dow Jones Index chart in front of you, and it is in the live market. It was expected that the Dow Jones Index will try to take a resistance in the zone 34,108 to 34,088. So in this zone, it is expected to take resistance and a fall was expected to approach this level of 34,029 to 34,005, and in accordance with that, it has tried to reach to this upper level of the zone, that is 34,029. You can observe here it has made a low around 34,029.8 in this candle. Now within this zone you have to do nothing, just wait, book the profits. If you are in the short sale, book the profits here, and then wait for this zone to be broken successfully. Once this zone gets broken successfully and it tries to sustain below 34,005, the next short sale in Dow Jones Index can be initiated. That time your stop loss can be just above 34,035, say 34,041. This can be that time the stop loss, and when the Dow Jones Index will be below 34,005, you can initiate another next short sale position. Expected target may be 33,910 to 33,887. So now I will try to keep recording this session in the live market. Let us see how it works. This view has been shared just from the study point of view, so I am trying to record it now in the live market. We need to keep patience, wait. What you can do, you can try to mark another resistance line. See, this is the resistance line at present. You may refer to my this Pritam Finserve website, wherein few minutes before I tried to share my view regarding the Dow Jones Index live market. Dow Jones Index live market. So here that time I tried to share this particular chart. See here Dow Jones Index live market analysis. So with stop loss just above 34,117, it is expected to fall to approach 34,029 to 34,005, and then once it tries to sustain below 34,005, you can expect next target as 33,910 to 33,888. So this has been shared just from the study point of view, and analysis was done with Indian Standard Time 20 to 29 is 10:29 p.m. This was the analysis done. See here you can observe it is trying to fall in the live market. So this zone is now important. I have already marked this zone. This zone is important. It may try to stay here for few minutes, and thereafter if it tries to successfully break this zone and trades below 34,005, that time next short sale position may be initiated. And for those who are not willing to book the profit here and they want to continue their short sale position, then for them the trailing stop loss may be say 34,051. This can be the trailing stop loss. 34,051, this can be the trailing stop loss. 051 or 053, this can be the trailing stop loss. My suggestion would always be, see, when you try to transfer from one zone to another zone, then it is always better to book the profit, wait for next zone to be broken, and then initiate either long or the short position. Okay, depending on the zones. So my trading style is, I try to mark such 6 lines. Very simple trading strategy. I try to mark only these 6 lines. So these are nothing but zones. Zone number 1, 2 and 3. Now here when price tries to sustain below this topmost zone, then you can go for the short sale. And if price, say when the price comes to the second zone, book the profit, wait for this zone to be broken either on the downside or on the upside. If it breaks on the downside, make next short sale position, and your target will be the third zone. Now scenario 2 may occur. For example, if instead of breaking the zone on the downside, it may try to break the zone on the upside. That time your stop loss will be just below this line, say 4 5 points below this, means 34,005. So round figure is 34,000. So in that case stop loss can be 33,999. This can be the stop loss, and your expected target can be the upper side. Okay, if the scenario 2 occurs. Now here, as far as the trading is concerned, see Dow Jones Index is trying to take a resistance along this resistance line. So I am expecting that this zone to be broken successfully. Let us see. Once this zone gets broken successfully on the downside, then next short sale position can be initiated. So trading is very simple. Just mark these 6 lines and do as per the market behavior. Wait for these zones to be broken, and accordingly you can initiate either long position or the short position. Actually, I could stop recording here. However, I would like to share with you the actual live market trading. Although you may make a paper trade, because I am trying to share this all from the study point of view only. So there is a disclaimer. It is just from the study point of view. How you can handle your positions. Once you are in the trade, then how to handle that trade. And you can observe this upper line, it is marked. From where it has been marked, let us move to the bigger time frame. So 30 minutes. So here you can observe these were the tops made, then thereafter this top and then this top. So based on that, it has been marked. Okay. As far as Dow Jones Index is concerned, if you observe this weekly chart, in this weekly chart, let me show you what is this. This is nothing but a bearish hanging man on the weekly chart. So bearish hanging man is a trend reversal signal. As far as candlesticks are concerned, this is a trend reversal signal, but it needs confirmation. Confirmation can be given by the red candle, and especially if that red candle tries to trade below this low of 33,700. If it tries to trade below this 33,700, or say better way, if we get a closing on weekly basis, in this Dow Jones Index, then it can confirm a trend reversal, and thereafter a fall may be observed. Yes, a fall may be observed. So I had already prepared one video regarding that, as well as I posted it on my Facebook account. I think it may also be available on my website. Let me give you, yes, this is the positional view. Here I shared, it appears that the Dow Jones Index had made its top on weekly chart So weekly candle is showing bearish hanging man, but it needs confirmation. Confirmation can be seen by a gap down opening with red weekly candle on daily chart. Daily chart also shows weakness. A positional short sale may be initiated when successfully below 33,540. The stop loss above 34,260. Expected fall may be to approach 31,600 to 31,100. This is a positional trade, a big positional trade, but there are some constraint conditions uh, that this bearish hanging man, which was observed on a weekly chart, it need confirmation. So confirmation can be seen by a gap down opening with red weekly candle. Even if there is no gap down opening, no problem, but a weekly red candle should be there. So if weekly red candle and considerable weekly red candle, if that happens, then we may get a confirmation, and according to this, you may expect Dow Jones Index to fall to approach 31,600 to 31,100. Next target can be 30,600 to 30,300. The view has been shared just from the study point of view only. Yes, so that is the thing. This analysis was done on time cycle time basis, and it is expected that this particular lows may be made around 21st of June. 21st of June. These lows may be made around 21st of June. Although even further targets can also be calculated, but I have tried to calculate only up to this. I would like to specify these targets only. Try to understand there are some conditions, that those conditions should be fulfilled, and the view has been shared from the study point of view only. So that is the disclaimer. So let us go and see what is happening in the live market. Once again, come to the live market chart. Try to observe what is happening. See how these zones are marked. So it really requires skill to mark these zones. See, it is trying to take somewhat support in this zone. Yes, any support may ask for a further rise in the prices. That time, those who would like to play with the contra trade, they may try to keep a stop loss around 33,999. That can be the stop loss, and they may expect price to rise. Yes, so that is the way how to play based on these 6 lines. So we are just trying to observe what is happening in the market. And here you can observe no other indicator has been used. It is just a price chart, nothing else. Prices have been represented in terms of the candlestick patterns and nothing else. Okay, so I was observing that this is support resistance, support resistance, support resistance. Yes, so this is how the index is trying to behave. Okay, my personal opinion is, here it appears that it is a bull trap. This is a bull trap. If this is a bull trap, and according to that prices are falling, if this is the scenario, then eventually the prices should try to approach to this next zone also. Meanwhile, let us say if you are interested, we can think about any other chart. Excuse me, please. Now, as far as this Apple share is concerned, after making this long-legged doji, then it made this bearish hanging man. It needs confirmation. Confirmation has been given by this red candle. Thereafter, gap down opening. So this is how we observed a fall. Yes. Then the prices try to rise. Now here you can observe this is what this is. Bearish hanging man. Bearish hanging man needs confirmation. If tomorrow there is a red candle, then you may say that the further fall in the price can be observed. See, I am trying to share all this only from the study point of view. Please note this. Let me change the time frame. The weekly chart. On the weekly chart, this is indecision candle. So either its top or bottom should get broken, then we may get a trade. Now, as far as the zones are concerned, let me mark the zone. So this is the zone. Now within this zone, if you are trying to trade based on a weekly chart, then within this zone you should not do any trade. Let this zone to be broken either on the upside or on the bottom side, then you may get a trade. Excuse me. And then your expected target may be around, let me check the chart again. 126.75 to 122.66. Thereafter, you may get next level as this 113.87 to 108.80. So I have tried to mark these 6 lines. You can try to study this from the study this from just price chart. Okay, track it. I will try to take a overview also in coming videos regarding how the price actually tried to behave for this Apple chart. Now let us move to the live chart. Let us see what is happening in the Dow Jones Index. Yes, Dow Jones Index, it is trying to take the support in this zone. Here the system is very simple, but important is you should be able to draw these 6 lines. So how to draw these 6 lines? That needs skill. Now I am able to draw it because I have tried to trade the markets. Although I did not try to trade in the any foreign market, but I have tried to trade in the Indian stock market since long time. Say more than 10 years I am trading in the stock market, Indian stock market. So just by observation I can easily mark these 6 lines. Excuse me. So I think the method how I try to trade, that is clear to you. We'll try to take a overview regarding this entire trading, maybe maybe on tomorrow. Yes. So I already given my view. Yes. So I'm trying to stop the recording now. Before that, let us see what is happening to this Apple stock. Yes, we have tried to mark the zones based on the weekly chart. Let us try to mark it based on intraday chart. So these are the lines I am trying to mark from the intraday perspective. So these are the six lines: one, two, and three zone. One, two, and three zone. But the zones are very very close. I feel that these zones are very very close. So I should not consider this zone. I should try to delete it. Let me change the color of the line. So this is the zone. So it appears that it has taken a resistance in this zone, and from there it may try to fall to approach. It may try to fall to approach. Yes, this price. it is still playing near to this zone. So see how important it is to mark the zones. So we come to know that whether there is momentum or not, and what to do at this particular price. So it is better to book the profit, and then the next short sale may be initiated when below 34,005, successfully below 34,005. Say 34,000. When the Dow Jones will try to trade below 34,000, then a short sale position may be created. That time the stop loss can be just above this 34,029. So approximate stop loss may be 34,035. This may be the stop loss. Expected target may be 33,910 to 33,887. So very good risk reward ratio can also be maintained. More than two, more than 1:2. Yes, that can be the risk reward ratio. But remember, you should initiate the short sale only when the price will lie below 34,005. Successfully, it will try to stay below this 34,000. Okay, let's stop now. Thank you very much.